Ever wondered why eggs are so extraordinary? Well, buckle up, because we're about to crack into some egg-citing facts. We're going on a journey of discovery, unscrambling the secret life of eggs. Stay tuned to find out what makes eggs a real breakfast champion. Did you know that eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet? They're not just a breakfast staple, but a powerhouse of nutrition. Each egg is packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals that our bodies need. From eyesight-supporting lutein and zeaxanthin to choline for brain function, eggs are a one-stop shop for daily nutrition. Now, how about a fun fact? An average person gobbles up around 173 eggs each year. That's a heap of scrambled eggs, sunny side-ups, and omelets. And it's not just us humans who are in love with eggs. They've been a staple food for thousands of years, enjoyed by ancient civilizations from Rome to Egypt and beyond. But let's not limit ourselves to chicken eggs. The world of eggs is diverse and exciting. Have you ever tried a hearty duck egg? Or perhaps the tiny yet flavorful quail egg? Let's not forget the gigantic ostrich egg, which can make an omelet for the whole family. So next time you crack open an egg, remember, you're not just making breakfast, you're continuing a global tradition. So what have we learned about our egg-cellent friends? Well, we've cracked open some intriguing truths. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They're loved worldwide, with billions consumed each year. And let's not forget the variety. From ostrich to quail, each egg is unique in size, color, and taste. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, a global favorite, and come in more variety than you might think. Now, aren't eggs just extraordinary?